Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download songs in InShot app. If you're new to InShot app and you don't know how to do it, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the InShot app on your phone. Now choose your preferred option. Now select the video that you want to add new songs to. For now, I'll choose this one. Click here to add it to your timeline. Now, to download the songs in InShot app, simply click on Audio. Now, select the music option right here and choose the type of genre that you want to download. Now, listen to the songs and select the one that you want to download. Once you find the song, simply click here on the download button and now you can use the song. And just like that, we can download songs in InShot app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.